Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we are covering the XRP and some other cryptos like Bitcoin and Hydra, and also the Solana. So first of all we will look the XRP price chart, and yeah, if we just see the closer look at the 1 hour chart, we see that the price started to fluctuate between the you can say a triangular zone, and then just break a little bit about, and then it just shoot the new a sideway move, or you can say another high which were a little lower, and then it is forming the also the diagonal pattern again. So a small diagonal pattern, and the price is moving above the golden zone, which is also the golden zone right here. And if we just see the support area, it is between the 1.9. so basically the chart is looking very good on the XRP. If we just see, it is due to the Bitcoin chart. As you can see, the Bitcoin price is dropping as well as the other coins are dropping. So if we just look at the 1 minute chart, we see the price is fluctuating the golden zone, and it is a nice way for trading. So you guys can trade higher high in higher low, so you can do a little bit of trading there, and you can also place your long position if you want. Yeah, I think the price is coming toward around about the 1.9 section again. So when the 1.9 section again, the price will come, so then we can face another a short scenario of bull market and another high of the XRP. If we just see the 4 hour time frame, we just see the it is forming a nice move, but there is not such a good volume that there we are now we have, and we need to see some of, you can say, some of the volume which can bring the price upward. Otherwise, if the market move sideways, yeah, it is a good way for do some small kind of trades on the 15 minute of the chart. As you can see now, we have a buy signal also. Let me just show you a moment. You can see there is a small amount of position that you have. You can take whatever you want, and something like that, a short-term position. So if we just open the Cardano price chart, the price is now moving significantly into a downward trend, which is a temporary trend, guys. Yeah, which is a temporary a downward trend. But for example, let me just give you an example. Yeah. So if we just ignore my cough, guys, and I have feeling a high fever, and I'm taking some pills, that's why I am not uploading the video. Yeah, so we are facing the same for the Cardano. First we were facing the higher high, higher low, and the now we are facing the lower high, lower low, so which indicate the price is like currently moving downward. But if we manage to move sideways like here, then we can possibly move upward. So if we see the chart, it's looking so much weak, but we need some movement. Yeah, let's see the BTC chart. Yeah, see the price action. You can I can give you a tip. If the BTC candle is like moving upward, there's a high chance of these coin they will move upward. So you can take an overview Like if you see the BTC price have a buy wick, a huge buy wick, then there is a likely chance of getting the buy wick as well as for the other coins like XRP and Solana and Cardano. So yeah, and we are right now in the like a pivot zone, or we can say a neutral zone, in which we have a little bit of volume but not so good. And if we want to see a higher high, we basically need a good amount of volume. And I think the cycle is not ended, we are still in the bullish market. And if we just see the the price action, which is indicating that we are in the bull market, and there is a FOMO that we can get to the lower low. No, I will not say yes to those guys who are saying that BTC price will drop. I will say that there is a correction happening right now, and the correction will go to the 87,000. Yeah, 87,500 or a little bit more, and then we can see a wave. Let me just show you with the elite wave. Let me show you. So basically this is the wave 1, wave B, and the wave C, and the wave D. So I think the wave C can happen around about like there. Let me just draw a clear pattern so you can take an overlook. So what I am going to tell you, so let me just where is the yeah. So this is the we can say wave 1 and the wave B, I can say. No, we are doing this wrong. Let me just do some pattern. Yeah, right now it's good. Wave A, wave B low, wave D, and little bit here, and then the wave will happen. Yeah, let me just place it right here, and you can see that you can also do, if you want to do some corrections or something, if you want. So basically you can get an overview what I am going to tell you. So I think the price can easily round about, like we will see the where the wave D will be end, and then we can have a look on the basic charts that we can see like what the happening in the price, and we need to see where the wave D will happen. And I think the wave D will end in the 87,737, and then the price can move upward toward the E wave, which is the 125 region or 130 region, which is my central target, and around about. And I think the market is still in bullish phase, and I hope so. So otherwise, if the trend just manages to move more upward, then the wave C can also extend from here, or another wave C. So it's all depend on the market, whatever the market say, and nobody can predict the future price. Remember guys, if you guys watch something that the YouTuber predict, that they give their own probability, and there is a less likely to happen. Make sure you guys do your own research and read the news like this thing. Yeah, the key fact today is very important, like the star button, it will show you the latest news. So this is for the video of the technical analysis, and let's go for the Solana. So as I predicted that the price was in the descending wedge, and the price is still dropping. And I guess the thing that Solana can do is that the wave is fulfilling the wave count. Yes, Solana is fulfilling his wave count. For example, like if we can see wave A, wave C, wave D, which is almost a good move. And then we can see a wave E, which is on the higher high basis or something like that, and the wave D can happen in the 166 region, or maybe above the main region. And let me just do some correction here so we can align our move. Yeah, so this is the Fibonacci like elite wave move and the Fibonacci retracement level. If we just see, yeah, we are still in the golden zone, but I will tell you to hold. And if you are taking the long position, I will suggest you do not take long position right now, guys. It's not at the time for the long position, and just wait for the moment. If the market move like a little bit of side move and break the 216 level, then you can take the long position at the 210 level or 216 level. So this is for the Solana actually, and not so quite move, big volume again because of the Bitcoin. It's all depend on the Bitcoin, guys. Nobody can predict the future price. So if you are new to this channel and if you like this type of video, I can create more videos. And if you want my portfolio, I can share you my portfolio. I can share you my holding, which coin I am holding right now. And make sure you guys like and subscribe for more, and do not fall for the scammers, and watch out the people that are saying that use this filter, use flan. So you need to know everything about yourself, because all at the end it's your money, and you are risking your money for the small YouTubers or big YouTubers that you are following. So I will suggest you, I am giving you my honest review. So as well as the choice is your. If you want to lose your money, then you can join their telegrams or whatever the groups that they are making. Otherwise, if you want anything, any kind of lectures do you want or something like that, I can create a free video for you, and if I can do this, okay. So basically I am also show you something that can also help you how to find and support and resistance, so you will know the technical analysis. And do not follow the LA Telegram group that is giving calls or something like that, and do not fall for the trading signal groups. This is a scam. So basically you need the knowledge of your own. So make sure you guys follow me, and peace out. Subscribe for more, and Merry Christmas.